So according to my own personal experience and research, there are three types of people watching your joy. First is the why not me friend. This is a person wherein he or she will feel left behind because of the good things that she or he hears from you. So it's natural for people to notice the good things and blessings that happen in your life. So this can stir feelings of envy within them, making them think that why I did not have those good fortunes, why I did not have those blessings and good things in my own life just like them. While this initial feeling might be a normal part of human nature, so if left unchecked, this envy can unfortunately evolve into something more negative, often referred to some as the evil eye, which some believe that can potentially undermine or destroy the positive aspects in your life.